What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize the social preview, the social media share link preview. So imagine that you did share your one of your posts, one of your pages into your Facebook, into your Twitter or X account, okay? So how to change this little description, the title and the metadata, and even the image or the structure of this post right here is what we're gonna learn into this video using all-in-one SEO WordPress plugin for free, okay? So into its free version. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. First of all, move to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to the keyword, you're gonna find a field called Search Plugins. Type right here, All-in-One SEO. Right here, we're gonna be able to see this plugin right here by All-in-One SEO team. Click on Install, and after this, click into the Activate. The plugin gonna redirect you to the Setup page, a page where we can set up the plugin. So the plugin will like to know more about your site, your design, your style, your content style, your favicon, your social media links, in order to do an initial setup. After this, we're gonna be into this page right here, but nothing to do right here yet, okay? So we're gonna explore every single part one by one. So review the previous videos on our YouTube channel to learn more about how to using all-in-one SEO to optimize your sites, okay? But go to the post where you would like to change the social share. In my case, it's gonna be this post right here. So here is the post. If you follow the previous video, you're gonna learn how to use this general tab right here into the all-in-one SEO plugin. But how to change the social preview? So normally the social preview gonna follows all the setup right here. However, what if I would like a different title, a different description, or a different image when social sharing this link? We're gonna move to this little social icon right here, so this tab, and right here we have two setups, okay? Both using the open graph. So if you change the Twitter and Facebook, you're gonna change in all of the other social medias, okay? So let's start on Facebook. Right here we can change the Facebook title, so a title for our post only on Facebook, okay? We can use the post title. We can even apply some emoji. So this is our Facebook title now. Here is the preview. Now we can apply some description. So let's review. Here is the description of the post, this part right here. Let's move there. Maybe I would like this description right here. Let's check. You can use the post content separator or accept, but you can type your own. There is a maximum of 200 characters right here, and you still can apply emojis in the case that you want, okay? After this, we can apply some image, okay? Do you know this image right here? Normally, the open graphic search for the very first image that appears on your post, okay? But what if you would like to display another image? You can go to image source, scroll it down just a little bit and use custom image. And right here, we're gonna upload a custom image to be your social media preview image. In my case, it's gonna be this one. And here is the example. How does it gonna looks like? Now we can apply some video URL in the case that we'll share some video on this post. Okay, you enter with the URL right here. And the object type. This is a very important and modern feature, and it's really good that you be ready to this feature, because the future of social media gonna use this. So what is this post about? It's an activity, sport, bar, hotel, coffee, restaurant, sports team, sports league, the band, a non-profit, school, university, actor, athlete, outdoor, director, musician, profile, public figure, city, country, landmark, state privacy. So we have a lot of things right here to select. In my case, it's gonna be an article, but choose the best that reflects your post, okay? After this, we have the article section. We can apply some section to the article to refers, and we can apply some tags in the case that you prefer as well. It's important that you complete all of those fields to make your post more and more optimized for more and more social media likes, share, and engagement, okay? So after this made, we're gonna hit the update button. This is how our post gonna looks like when shared on Facebook and a couple of other social media, but our work isn't over. We can preview how does it gonna looks like on mobile, and we can check the Twitter. Use data from Facebook tab in the case we want to copy the data from our Twitter, or we can unselect this and type one by one all the fields. And Twitter has other options right here. Let me show you. So we have the Twitter card type. We have summary with large image and summary, okay? So we have these two differences, and if you select to copy, you're gonna see how does it gonna looks on Twitter, okay? So it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our AIOSEO WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free, and connecting with a growing blogging community. Or Borderless plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or sites.gallery, a place where we can promote your site for free, your game, your mobile app, and submit it. It's simple, easy, and completely free. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium and unlock access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, themes, plugins, support, tools, icons, and many more pro features, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire library. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!